In this video, we're going to talk about managing roles and permissions. And to do that, we're going to head over there directly. So you're going to click on the left rule menu, you're going to click on collaborations, and then you're going to click on roles. What are roles? A role is a set of permissions that determine what actions someone can perform in the system, like creating flows, editing resources, or managing connections. Noca AI includes two system-defined roles. Number one, admin, a super user role who has access to all features and resources. And then member, another system role not fully configured yet. These default roles cannot be edited or deleted, but they can be assigned freely. This table shows you existing roles with following column names. Number one, we look at the name. That is essentially the name of the role. Then you have environments, where the role is applicable. And then you have action menu where you can view. You can also edit and delete as well if needed. Add a new role. To add a new role, you pick on add new button at the top and you define your row name. So let's say I'll just go ahead and say developer. And then you can choose which environment you'd like this developer role to be associated to. So you have production, staging, integration, development. Let's just say I'll select all of them. And then these are the environments that this role is now applicable to. And then you have something called permission type. Now, permission type, you can choose between custom, which means mod manually configure what this role can do, or full access grants unrestricted access to everything. Let's talk about custom first. When you select custom, you'll be presented with two tabs for defining permissions using a checkbox matrix. You have general permissions, where you can define what they can do, what they can edit, what they can delete, and everything else with it. This tab allows you to configure general access for the following system-wide components. You can have a look at connections, flows. And each row in the matrix represents one of these columns, defines permission types. You can have add, you have view, you have edit, you have delete, or you can just simply select all, which selects all items like this. It selects all for actions, essentially. The associated tab, where general is flow specific permissions. And when you click on this tab allows you to assign granular permissions per individual flow. Each row in the matrix represents a specific flow. The column add, view, edit, delete, all work the same as in the general tab. Just like in the general tab, the header row contains checkboxes that let you quickly apply permissions to all flows in a given column. This is useful when you want to restrict access to certain flows while leaving others fully open. Finally, if you select full access, the user or team assigned this role will have unrestricted permissions across the environment you selected. All resources, all connection, all flows. This option is useful for platform administrators or power users who require complete access. Follow us to learn all things AI, revolutionize enterprise automation with adaptive AI agents.